Welcome back to our Homesteading and Carpentry channel. Just wanted to show really quick this gate that we built, or that I built. It's 6 feet wide. Here it is open. I just put these up recently so my dog wouldn't get under. The gate's lifted up off of the ground because of these cement pillars that are put in. Built this gate a few years ago. This is not a brand new build, but I wanted to show it because I spent my time doing it. These are really large hinges, outdoor hinges I bought commercial. I built this probably around 3 or 4 years ago. All the hinges are matching. This side also has a pillar, cement pillar. And these here are 6x6s. I designed the entire gate. I built the gate. Didn't have that at the bottom when I built it, but this side fencing is connected up to it. There's a 2x4 connecting it. For the center to open and close it, it's got this on it. You can put a lock on this one. This gate is 6 feet opening. So you could fit a riding mower through here. You could fit four-wheelers through here. You could fit small trailer through here. Behind a riding mower or a little work tractor, but probably couldn't fit a car between here. Could fit a motorcycle. I have a motorcycle. Could fit that through here. But we just cleaned this up. It was my idea to clean it up on the homestead in case I need to bring a wheelbarrow or anything else back here. Trimmed all these bushes. You can see how muddy it gets in through here. This entire property here that we're on a 1/4 acre, which is not much. Some wood. This is what I have stacked. That's a small trailer for a mower. There's that big flowering rhododendron back there. This is a pretty decent spot here. 1/4 acre. I mean, it's an oak tree. I don't know. I just started shooting with my tripod recently. I did measure it at 6 feet. This was a few years ago I built the gate. I'm going to be moving this wood pile, probably. I mean, I can show what I built here. This is the welding cart I've been working on. Comment down in the comment box how many hours you think that it took me to clean these pieces of steel up. It's all rusty. I'm going to show this in another build coming up if you want to see the complete talk about of the build. MIG welded most of it. That's what it looked like before it went into shape. I have more steel here on the ground. It's all fine. Just grind it up with my grinder and weld it. Got a couple I-beams. This was painted recently on the front of the camper. How tall that camper is. Got 7 feet of interior room in the camper. I don't know. I can do a yard walk around. Got these painted. Thought about going with the gray. Went with the black on it. Noticed a lot of different things going on here, but still haven't finished the chairs. Still got the hammock stand. No one's inquired about it. No one's inquired about having one built. Remember, I paid $16, you know, for the steel on that hammock stand. So, I mean, if you watch my other videos, you know how much money I have in my welding equipment. Ducks are inside. It's kind of cloudy out. Covered in trees back here. Couldn't grow anything. I know I have a homesteading channel. You're probably wondering where my fruits and vegetables are. Another flowering bush here. This is a wild rose bush. It grows wild. It's a certain type of bush. There's that rhododendron. Oh, it's an old wheelbarrow. Yeah, so that's about it. I mean, I'm going to do another build of this, but I got all the roof on the doghouse. I'm working on this one. But yes, I have all the roof on the doghouse now. It's a steel roof. For those that, you know, want to know, a steel roof can last for around 40 years. So people that are putting asphalt roofs on their houses, those usually last around 20 years. So this doghouse roof should last for 40 years. I'm also going to paint it. I got it in the brown right now. I made the peak. I cut some of this, made the peak. Screwed it in with the regular screws I used. Each screw has a piece of rubber underneath it, so no water gets in there. That one didn't really sit flat, but those ones actually don't have the rubber, but that's okay. And there's where my dog goes in and out of it. I wanted to build it like a log cabin style. Well, thank you for tuning in, and shout out to Amber who commented on my other video. Thank you for commenting. That was awesome. Burned the last fire in here. That's gone. That's what's left of it. Had a fire burning. It burned all night. Just threw some more sticks in there. Thinking about selling these. If you you know, want to make an offer on these two chairs, I'm thinking about staining them. The stain that would go on them would probably be, you know, probably less than $5 worth of stain. Saw some stain at the store for $10, and I don't think it would use half the container. So they're actually made out of some people would call it wicker. I mean, it's thicker than wicker. It's almost like sticks. It's really unique looking. But what do you think these would be worth? Comment down in the comment section what you think these two chairs might be worth. How they did the bottom of them. The curve around the back. I mean, could you imagine building these chairs? How much time it would take? Wow, look how perfect they got them. Wow. Let me know, you know, if you build chairs like this, you know, let me know how many hours it takes to build something like these. You know, go out into the forest, you know, get some vines, get some sticks, make sure all your curves are perfect. You know, wow. I mean, someone really spent a long time. Make sure when you wrap it, you know, wrap it really good. Some of the wrappings are coming apart, but wrapped in leather, it looks like. I've stood on them, I've sat on them. They're great. They hold my weight. Some other chairs. So yeah. Let me know. Let me know what's going on in your lives, you know. Send me your YouTube channel, you know. I'll check out your videos, you know. Videos are a great way, you know. If you're 500 miles away from me or wherever you are, you can see my videos and I can see your videos, you know. Still got all this metal shelving. Okay, well, thank you for checking it out. Let us know if you need a gate built. This is all hand done. The middle of this is fencing. All I did was take and cut down some fencing into 2 sections and probably took the edge off, you know, and put it up there with those 6 hinges. I've got 1 hinge on each support bar. 6 hinges for each section is 3 foot. There's 2 sections and they open in the middle. So I did 3 hinges for that. You can see after a few years, slightly off, but that'll happen over time. All right, thank you for tuning in and watching. Let us know. Let us know if you need anything built. Take care. Have a good day.